Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Rakonheli 76 HD. It is essentially a heavily modified Mobula 7 HD, so you have the same canopy, the same Cadex Turtle V2, and the same 25 milliwatt to 200 milliwatt VTX. The frame is Rakonheli. It has full coverage aluminum ducts, which solves the problem of the camera wires getting cut by the propellers. The propellers are, of course, Rakonheli tri-blades. The motors are 1103 10,000 kV. The FC is the JEP-RC GEP12AF4, which has 12 amp ESCs, so it should be able to handle the propeller and motor combination in 2S, 3S, and even 4S. It has an XT30 battery connector. So right now I'm only using 2S, so I have this adapter to mount two 1S batteries. The battery holders are also twin 1S. And when I go 3S, I'm just going to remove these center links here, just like what Adam Douglas is doing. The receiver is a FreeSky XM, and it should give better range than the typical built-in receiver. Let's weigh it. So without batteries, it's 54.3 grams. With two 300 mAh 1S batteries, it's 70 grams. And with one 300 mAh 3S battery, it's 79.5 grams. And that's it for my overview of the Rakonheli 76 HD. It solves a lot of the problems of the Mobula 7 HD and makes it look even better. This is the Ferrari of whoops, and I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching.